Oh, boys, which part should I install today, bruh? This one, and I'm gonna need this one. Oh, all right, let's go. Come look at it, Misa. Come look at it. Wait, don't look at it though. Oh shit! What do you think it is?
Oh, it's fire extinguisher.
Oh, you motherfucker! Take it out of the box. Take it out of the box. It has the address everywhere.
You don't have a thing on the fucking thing yet.
The what? What are you talking about?
Okay. What are you gonna put it on?
You're about to see. Alright, get rid of this box.
I guess that's kind of cool.
It's cool, huh?
I thought you were gonna get the one that had the little black stripes on it. You know what I'm talking about? It was, so you can actually put it on the roll cage. I actually have one coming in too.
A fire extinguisher? Really?
Mm-hmm.
You're lying.
Yeah, I swear to God, I have one.
Oh shit. Wait, alright, open this, open this. It's already open, they just gotta get the part out.
This one right out
here? Yeah, right here. And that's it right there.
Ew.
Yo, what?
What is this? License
It's
plate
the bracket.
What happened if I do this?
So it goes like this, under the seat, and then the fire extinguisher goes right here.
Hey, don't pull it. Oh, you screw it on?
Yeah,
oh,
and then it has the little cage, just a quick release.
I don't know. Let me see. Hey, 500 likes.
You do like this. This? No. I feel like one of y'all niggas is gonna fuck this shit up in the car.
500 likes and I'll pull it.
Yeah, no, kill you. Like you just release it like that, and then it comes out.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
Quick release. You never know when you might need a fire extinguisher. Easiest install ever, bro. Like this time I can actually say this is a quick install, easy install. Yeah, that shit's black. What are you doing? Oh, there's people coming. Oh, that shit hurts, dog.
You pictured your dick, huh? Oh, fuck.
Oh, hell no. You're good.
Chat, ripping the chat. Just the other way, if anything.
Oh, wait, someone's coming. Literally, right here. So you take those two off, and then you put them like that.
Is it like right there?
Yeah, like this.
What the fuck?
And then it's just right here.
That's
So when
cool,
you're driver's seat, you just quick release.
Oh shit, that's sick.
All right, let's do it.
I thought it was gonna be like over here somewhere.
Nah. That's why easiest and fastest way. This company makes hollow brackets for a bunch of cars.
You know what you forgot to get though?
I have that. That's for a later video though. That's for a later video.
Not done.
I have it though.
That's how you know he drinks water.
It's hella yellow. Either
well
way.
hydrated.
It's like
Huh.
like a shady yellow.
This is what the bracket's for.
It's supposed to be able to pull out. You're supposed to put it back in and do it out.
Oh, but now you can shoot it?
Yeah.
Should we shoot it a little bit?
Yeah!
Should we shoot it or nah?
Yeah.
Not to me though! Wait, go. Wait, I want to shoot it though. I never shot one. Wait, let me shoot it over here. Wait, are you sure?
That's sick. I wish I could do it.
Quick sprays, not too much though, not too much. Because I don't want it to waste. Alright, there. If you guys want, go. You don't want to?
It has a little bit.
That's actually kind of cool. I like it. You don't want to? Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. Hold up, I gotta wipe this down.
Can I do it or no?
What?
Just say it.
No. I know you're talking about soup.
What?
Gay.
No.
What are you talking about? I said no, bro!
You don't get it, huh? No, it's a yes, and yes is a yes.
Shut the fuck up. I hate you.
You're not gonna take me to Golfland or what?
Yeah, I'm not.
Oh man.
You have to walk there now.
I guess I might have to take the VTA. Súbele de Golfland.
Damn it, install. We low-key ran into some problems, but I pretty much got it. It doesn't fit perfectly, but watch out. There's a cat, but it fits pretty good. Let me show you guys real quick. It sits nice under the seat.
I feel like we always run into problems, bro.
Now we do.
We always do.
You release it, and then it just comes out. Oh. It's kind of annoying to come out, but then pow, it comes out, and then you're ready to go, ready for action. I'm just driving down the street, bro. I'm just driving. Oh shit, a fire! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. And it's over. How long was that?
Nigga, too long.
Actually,
we fucking burned out the, we fucking burned out the car, nigga.
The timer's on the screen. You think you can go faster?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go, let's see.
Easy,
Let's set it up. We got the timer on the screen. We'll see if Misa does better than me. Alright, you ready? Pretend like you're driving and then go.
So I was already cheating, you seen that?
Yeah. Just whenever. The timer's gonna pop up.
Yeah.
Oh, hell no, bro.
No. Okay. I thought it was.
Alright, just one test run. Go, go, go. You're good.
Pulling over, I'm pulling over.
Bro, you're so slow.
Oh, hell no. The car would have burned down already.
Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no.
Weird ass position.
I know. It is. Bro, the car's already on fire, bro. He's walking. You're walking to the hood.
That shit would have fucking.
Oh, no, bro. The car already burned, bro. You see?
Yeah. He has a whole ass audience.
Oh, hell no, bro. Misa, you fucked up, bro. No, I told you, it's bad fitment. It's okay, Misa. Maybe when you get yours, maybe it's a different outcome. Last look of it. I'm gonna leave the link down below to the actual bracket and the fire extinguisher. It's kind of weird fitment, so I should try to find something else that fits a little better, but yo, it still looks pretty cool, boys. Let me know what you guys think, though. It looks pretty cool, though. Hell yeah, hell yeah. Honestly, I thought it was gonna be more like annoying, but it's just right there. You can barely notice it, but it's pretty cool.
With the bear mic?
There we go. There we go.
Niggas, where is this captain?
Payback! Let's go or what?
When they're running by,
Boys, these fools are tripping. We're going to golf land. Wait for that video. And we're done with this video pretty much, so. Huh?
That's
Oh,
a
you're not
video?
gonna put it this
Yeah.
video?
That's a separate video. So we can have two. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. Thanks for watching, boys. Like, subscribe, everything. And we'll see you guys. I think so. Oh, and this is a beard. Going?
Never mind.
We're in the enemy's car. Oh shit, bro. I gotta get used to the clutch. This shit feels pretty smooth though. I wanna see if it's faster than mine or not. Or I'm pretty sure it is though. Nah, wait till we get to the street, because right now it's hella.
Someone tell him.
That feels pretty cool though. Library close today. No!
Look, it's your boys.
Oh hell no.
3 of them too.
Should I guess it? They're walking.
You won't.
Nah, that's fucked up. Imagine. Yo, this shit revs up quick though. Daddy, I like when you drive me.
Oh my gosh.
Yo, calm down. Nigga. You're talking about my boy.
Shut up.
Let's see what this baby's made of. You ready?
I knew it. How did I know? I was like, this nigga's better miss it right here.
I missed third gear. I feel like Ramon.
second and fifth.
I missed third gear, bruh. Hey, this shit feels pretty cool though. It actually picks up pretty fast too. Put some music on this bitch.
Look at you.
I don't know how.
Me either.
Oh, cause probably iPhone 12's only, huh? You're right.
Shut the fuck up. Guys, this guy got the new phone and he doesn't know how to act.
Oh yeah, I don't even know they know.
Oh my god. Look at his phone.
Bro,
where's the Apple logo? That's hella weird.
It's behind the case. What the heck?
Oh, behind the case, alright.
Yeah. Miz is trying to talk shit because he wasted extra money on a case,
Shut
bro.
the fuck up. Shut the fuck up.
Show him. He's trying to talk shit because look, he wasted an extra $30 for that little sign.
Oh, this?
They're gonna roast you. You think you're roasting me, but they're gonna roast you.
Real Apple. Oh, this?
You're roasting me, but they're gonna roast you.
iPhone 11 Pro Max.
11? Wasn't that like made 4 years ago?
Shut up. Look. For little baby hands.
That's real, man.
Pairing unsuccessful.
This car's probably not used to iPhone 12s. Ramon doesn't have a Pro.
Give me one.
I hope this nigga knows that I can't throw a chip that fucking far.
Yeah, you can, bro. Give it to me. I'll throw it.
Alright, throw it. I'm gonna see you throw that shit.
Nigga, but now I'm at a bad angle.
How do you feel right now? How do you feel right now?
Because I'm over here, but you can do it from over there.
Go.
Oh, hell no. Let's get him. Let's get him. Oh, yeah, that feels nice.
Yeah, hello, keychain. The fuck?
Take this one.
Huh?
I'm gonna just take this one.
That one?
Yeah, this one looks cool. It just looks cool. I just want it to look cool. I'm gonna probably put it somewhere.
You're not even gonna read or what?
No.
The fuck?
Just fucking comic book, okay? It's a collectible item.
Let's get him. Or like,
We're just looking.
yo. Oh, what the fuck the hell is this?
I thought you were talking about this. I was like, what do you want that for?
Let's buy it? It's not good? Yeah?
Hey, let's buy it.
It's rechargeable.
Can I taste you? Yeah.
The fuck?
Hey, let's all taste each other?
Yeah?
Yeah, I'll give you permission.
Hey, Misa said it. Misa said it.
Right now. Hey, let's all taste each other?
You're getting taste. I'm down, to be honest.
If you buy it?
I'm down.
Pussy. Can I see this?
Wait, for real? Yeah.
I'm down, bro.
I give you permission.
It was a little joke.
Nah, you're getting tased, bro. You already said.
You already said
We
it?
all are.
I
Oh, I'm gonna get this on my shoe.
Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no, bro. That's just gonna hurt. You ready for that, Misa? I'll go first. Fuck it.
Oh,
I don't care.
Hey, he's gonna go. He's gonna go.
Wait, where are you gonna do it though?
Oh my god.
Wait, bro. Wait, chill. Go, just do it. Oh, shit. No, that's not bad. Oh, you feel it though. You feel it. Oh, that's not bad. Wait, do it again. But do it lower. Do it. Oh, nah, that's not bad. That's not bad. Do it on the arm. Oh, shit. Wait. Go. Oh, hell no. Can you even do it?
Can you even do it?
Oh! No, that's not bad, bro. That's not bad. That's not bad. Really? That's not bad. I think I have to go do it longer.
Nah, it's like it's up to you.
I'm just poking.
Daddy, chill.
It's not that bad.
Oh shit.
It's not that bad. Have a good one.
It's like a little pinch.
Yeah, it's like a pinch, but it doesn't hurt.
She stood outside because she wanted this.
Hey, yo, chill. What the fuck? Nigga, I'll do it to myself, bro.
Oh.
It's like a little pinch. It's like a little pinch.
I think you have to hold it and then do it.
Yeah.
Let's see.
But I feel like the more you do it, obviously. Hey, you two are like.
Yeah, you guys are chickens.
Niggas are chicken.
Dude, it wakes you up. Nah, that's not bad though. It's not bad. Oh shit, let me show them what I came up on. Yes, sir. Yo, this is from that Kid Robot website. These shits are like 15 bucks. Yeah, it's like $5 right here.
I'll have to go.
Got some random little shit. Bro, y'all can't be capping. It doesn't hurt, huh?
Nah, you're lying.
It doesn't hurt, bro.
I turned it off right before I touched them.
Misa, you literally a chicken?
Hey, yo, shit. Oh,
Bro, y'all are so extra. It's literally not bad.
it's not bad. Hey, chill out. You're right.
Here, do it on my arm. Do it on my arm. Do it on my arm. Wait.
It takes a little bit.
Nah, y'all niggas.
Do it. Oh, that pinch. Okay, no, I felt that one. Oh, shit. Oh, no, that one I felt.
Misa?
Oh,
Hey.
shit.
Unsubscribe to Misa because he doesn't want to do it.
I don't even have a channel.
Bruh, nah, that one Oh, that's a tricep. Is there a mark?
Just
Ooh.
Oh, shit, look. It's not that bad. Oh, ow.
Shit, whose is this?
That's me.
nigga bought an actual taser. That's funny. How much
No,
is
it's
it?
not bad.
$20.
You feel it though.
Hey,
Bruh,
y'all
hey,
did it.
what the?